Hey, how you doing? This is Wassel from Diagnostic Ultrasound, and welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays. Today, we're going to go over some myths versus facts of refurbished equipment. Are they reliable? In our previous video, we went through a couple of things and went through refurbished equipment and why is it worth it or not worth it to purchase one. So today, we're going to touch on some of these facts versus myths between refurbished equipment. So first thing we're going to talk about is that they break more. That's not actually true. That's more of a myth. With breaking more, all equipment has a chance to fail. New, old, refurbished, it doesn't matter. All equipment are susceptible to issues. They're not up to date. A lot of times, refurbished equipment you see today are actually demos that were used to either sell a piece of equipment at a location or use lightly or even part of a lease. And because of that, they generally have warranties. Those warranties in most equipment you'll see, you extend anywhere between 2 to 5 years for the equipment. So generally, if you buy anything that's relatively new, it will still be up to date, and that's actually a benefit to you. So you can get into a piece of equipment that is cheaper upfront costs, generally has more settings, because if it was a demo piece of equipment, that means there are more options in order to showcase those settings. So if you're into general ultrasound services, you will actually come out ahead as you don't have to buy those extra options. Another myth we're going to talk is that they are more expensive long term because either the machine is used or has been at a customer, that long-term service costs will be more expensive than just buying a new system. That's just not the case. And we're going to go through a couple more facts that these systems are generally extensively field tested, either at shops or at the manufacturer or even in the field itself. All these machines go through much testing. Always one thing to keep in mind when we talk about cost effectiveness, refurbished equipment is always cheaper up front. You're going to save more, probably get more, and even long term, you'll have some warranties and eventually service contracts like all pieces of equipment. And again, thank you for watching our Whiteboard Wednesdays from Diagnostic Ultrasound. My name is Wassel. Have a great day.